Hey, what's up guys, this is Varun here and today I am going to show you top 5 best Instagram hacks or tricks that everyone must know. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I have included a bonus part or a bonus tip somewhere in this video. Before we start this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So let's continue with the first hack. The first hack is pretty simple. With this trick you can hide your hashtags in Instagram stories to get more story views and impressions. To do this, just select a photo you want to upload for a story and then write all the hashtags relevant to this photo. Once you have written them, just hold them and take them to the corner of the photo and then hold another finger in the middle or somewhere else and then just drag the finger until the hashtags is not visible. And that's it. This is how you can hide your hashtags in stories to get more story views, impressions and potential followers. With the second trick, you can schedule your Instagram photos or IGTV videos. This is also pretty simple to do. The way to do is, you have to sign up for Facebook Creator Program. The link will be provided in the description down below. Then go to Creator page and select your Instagram profile. And here click on create new post and write the caption, select your photo, you can do everything here that you normally do in Instagram app. You can write caption, you can add hashtags, you can add location and much more. Once you are done with the post, just change the option from publish to schedule and here you can schedule the date and time on which this post will go live on your Instagram feed, and that's it. You have scheduled your Instagram post. You can do this with multiple photos or multiple videos and schedule for 10 days, 1 month in prior so that you maintain a consistency in your Instagram profile. Next is GBox. GBox is an all-in-one toolkit for your Instagram. This is a must-have application if you use Instagram extensively. With this app, you can create multiple creatives, which I'll demonstrate now. To create a 9-grid photo, just click on the option and upload a photo. And follow the given steps. This will give you the photos along with the number it should be uploaded. Now upload the photo in this format and then once you upload the photo it will look something like this. This does look pretty cool on your Instagram feed. Next we have color picker, which can be used to select a particular color hex code from any picture. Then we have creative fonts. With this you can create very cool looking fonts and use them in any social media platform. Next we have hashtags. With this option the app will automatically generate hashtags for your photos to get more impressions and good results. Then we have glitch effects, which will basically add glitch effect to your photos. Next we have no crop post, which will add white bars or bars of any color. You can select the color in the app that will create a no crop post. Next we have swipeable photos, with which you can create cool panoramas and upload on your Instagram feed. Swipeable photos look something like this. And then at last we have my favorite option, make animated videos for Instagram. By clicking on this, it will take you to Play Store where you have to download this app. Open this app and here it has approximately 108 templates that you can use for your Instagram stories to make them look cool. Let me show you one example right now. Just add your picture and change your text, and that's it. You can then render this video and post it on your Instagram story. This is all about the GBox app. This is a bonus trick. These are 3 apps which can be used to make more creative stories, posts and videos. The first one is hype text. This can be used to add animation to your text. Next app is preview, which can be used to plan out your Instagram feed. To create good looking stories, you can also use apps like Unfold and Insta Story Maker. This ends the bonus part. Next up, fourth hack we have is text effects. I will show you 3 different types of text effects that I use in my Instagram stories. The first one is rainbow text. For this, just type the text you want and then select the text and then hold the color option, and here you can see the color picker, and then just drag this point along with the text effect cursor like this, and you get this beautiful looking text rainbow effect on your text. Next up is drop shadow effect. To do this, just type the text you want and then copy the text and then paste the text again, change its color and overlap the text one above the other like this, and you get this beautiful looking drop shadow effect on your text. The last text effect is reveal text effect. To do this, just select any photo, hit on this pencil icon and click and hold any color and now just select erase option and write your text that will reveal your photo. This effect can also be used in multiple other ways. And the fifth and the final hack or trick is how to add swipe up action to your Instagram stories without having 10,000 followers. To do this, just make a short video of 10 to 20 seconds and upload it to your IGTV account. Once you have done that, post the image on your story which you want as the swipe up image, and then click on the link and then click on the link icon at the top and select the IGTV video which you have uploaded. And in the description of the IGTV video that you have uploaded, make sure you paste the link to which you want to redirect, and that's it. This is how you can add swipe up action without having 10k followers. That's it for this video guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips and tricks videos like this one. Comment down below if you have any queries. Like this video if it helped you, and I hope to see you in my next video.